Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Avika reviews and why it is grabbing a lot of attention, especially in the United States. So let's proceed further and know more about this website, and also let's find out about its reviews. This website does not belong to us, and we are here to give you an unbiased review regarding this website. So friends, do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get started and know about it. As you can see, it has products like Comfy Calming Pet, then it has Easter Bunny Wreath, and the prices are like $39.95. Now let's check its mode of payment, and it is PayPal. It is mentioned over here. Let's find out its shipping policy. Let's click on shipping guide link, and here they have mentioned that the orders will be processed within 1 to 5 business days of ordering. Also, they have mentioned about the email ID as well over here. Now, let's proceed further and check out its legitimacy checkpoints. So, its HTTPS protocol was checked, and it was found that it belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Then the age of Avika.com was seen on WHOIS, and it was found that it is registered on 2nd of October and 2020 is the year. So this is registered few months back, which is not a good sign. Now let's see its about us page. So here we can see the about us page. You can see they have mentioned about the company, but they have not mentioned any business owner name or any email ID. Let's find out anything on the contact us page. Here they have mentioned the email ID, that is 2853105182@qq.com, and one can live chat with them from Monday to Friday 9 to 10 GMT, that is, and Saturday is from 9 to 5:30. Now let's check more about it. So it's available on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, but when we try to check out its customer reviews are not yet to be found either on Trustpilot, or it has very low traffic on the social media icons as well, as it is just built, which is a very negative sign for now. And let's click on the return policy. Now let's find out what is the return policy. So it has been mentioned that it has a 14-day return or the refund guarantee. So this is what the return policy says. So if you have any queries regarding return and the refund, you can mention that in the comment box. Okay, so guys, let's find out more. Let's see about its customer reviews. As I already told you that even on the official website, the products, as you can see, you can just click on this icon, view all. The product does not have any customer reviews, and we try to find out its customer review on Trustpilot. Again, there is no such information regarding this website. Also, its website age is just recently registered, which is a very negative sign. Also, it does not have any business owner name or business address. Also guys, I would like to say that its website content quality is also quite low, which is also a negative sign. So on the basis of all the legitimacy checkpoints, I would say that this website right now is just recently registered, and it has absence of the reviews anywhere around, and it's just maybe growing. So right now buying products from here is not recommendable. It is a researchable website, and you just need this website to grow, and then you can think about buying any product from here. Also, if you have any experience or thoughts regarding this website, do mention in the comment box. And guys, we keep on reading your comments each day, so keep doing comments. Also guys, if you have any queries regarding return and the refund, you can click on the description area and find the links to get the money back. So guys, do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much and have a great day.